I'm gonna burp. Sorry, love.
Oh, God, Cal.
I'm sorry. I know you don't like her.
What have you been eating?
Oh, God, that mackerel's really repeating on me.
I'm sorry, I can feel like I can almost taste the oil in it.
It's really...
That's funny, because you've done a burp and that's put a bad taste in my mouth.
I don't like it when people say, like, oh, you put a bad taste in my mouth. What a horrible thing to say.
Mm-hmm.
Someone once said to me, you give me asthma.
Oh, dear love. Did you?
Hurt. I've never heard of a person giving another person asthma.